Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to link your bank account to Cash App without a debit card. So let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Make sure you're signed in with your account on the home screen. Look at the bottom left and tap on the bank icon. This is also called the banking tab. Now you will see your Cash App balance and some options below it. Look for the button that says Link Bank or Linked Accounts. Tap on it. If you have not added a bank account before, the app will ask you to add one. Tap on the option to link a bank account. You will now be asked to select your bank from a list. You can either scroll to find your bank or use the search bar at the top. Once you select your bank, Cash App will ask you to sign in to your online banking. This step is safe and secure. It lets Cash App connect to your bank account without needing a debit card. Enter your online banking username and password just like you do when you check your balance on your bank's website after logging in. Follow the prompts to give Cash App permission to connect. This will link your bank account to your Cash App. And that's how to link your bank account to Cash App without a debit card. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.